talked about the difference between an information management model, traditional versus an information management model that takes into consideration sort of the 5 V's of big data, right? So the original information management model is I have a whole bunch of source relational databases that have to be ETL'd into an enterprise data warehouse, ETL'd into data marts, and then BI consumers access that information. All well and good, and you absolutely need it because I have weekly, quarterly, annual reports to make that happen. Unfortunately, it's incredibly brittle. You have to know what that schema is and what the reports are ahead of the game, right? You need 6 months worth of analysis to actually build this environment. But when I need a new field, I need to change the source, change the ETL, change the warehouse, change the mart, and change the BI consumer. Well, at that point, it's another $1 million, another 6 months. It's not effective in a world where I need to have real-time analytics of information coming into me, or I have a high velocity of external information that I need to deal with, or I might have a veracity problem where I don't appreciate or I don't understand who that actual source is. In my internal applications, I know it's these 30 people who signed in, but I don't know that BW Lure equals P. Lewis from an external Twitter perspective. So that architecture is almost the entire opposite. You almost start at the end. You start at the visualization tool first. And from that visualization tool, you determine what kind of information do I need to collect in order to create business value out of it. And then you go to all your sources, store them in a very big data lake, don't worry about the schema, and in real time determine what kind of smaller value you need to take to create that business value. It's a very different approach and requires a very different tool set.